Hey, how y'all doing? So I'm going to give you a trade review of this NCD CAD. But first things first, before we hop into this, as usual, this trade, it was called in my free Discord chat beforehand. As you can see, so every single day that the market is open, I post my watch list in the Forex trading section. Right here, you can see I posted NCD CAD. This was before it happened, no hindsight like, some of these furus. I said NCD CAD, daily market structure, 100% bearish, and 4 hour recently pushed up into higher time frame, 4 hour bearish order block. Look at this. And then I indicated where I think it's going to go. I indicated I think it's going to pop up and then it's going to sell off. And what do you know? It popped up and it sold off, right? Exactly as I outlined in chat beforehand for you to capitalize on, to learn from. Okay, this chat is 100% free, doesn't cost you a dime to join. There's going to be a link to it in the video description. All right, just click it, join, boom, you're in. It's that simple. Now let's jump into the review. So you can see this was our higher time frame point of interest. So you can see this market structure is clearly bearish. This was a short play, and this was our higher time frame point of interest right here. This is a bearish order block. Okay, so we have a higher time frame bearish order block right here. This is the higher time frame point of interest. The market structure is bearish and price pulled up into a premium marketplace within this price range. See that? It traded up above 50% equilibrium. That's what we want. I need price to pull up above 50% equilibrium for my short plays on the 4 hour price range. It does it. So far we have concluded that the daily market structure is 100% bearish. The 4 hour market structure is bearish. We've identified a higher time frame point of interest. We pulled up into a premium. What do we do next? Well, what we do next is we need a lower time frame shift. So the 1 hour chart was actually already bearish on this. This 1 hour chart on this push up was already bearish. And so in that scenario, we'll go to the 15-minute. But here also, because this is the fair value gap that I had noted today, right here, we get a very big fair value gap after pushing up into that resistance. See this? So you get the fair value gap, but the actual shift was on the 15-minute chart. You get the fair value gap there as well. It's just a little bit cleaner to look at on the 1 hour chart. But here was that shift in market structure. So we opened up right here this morning at midnight, and we get this ramp up at midnight, right after midnight. What is this? Well, that is our Judas swing. The Judas swing is a fake run in the opposing direction of where price really intends on going. So the sole intention of taking liquidity. So we get the Judas swing, and then what does price do next? Price shows his hand. This is big money. This is smart money showing their hand where they really want to send price, right? It has that huge move lower. Okay, big money they can't hide, right? It's displayed with that displacement. Then what happens next? Well, price retraces up into a premium. That is where I entered. Okay, I entered as soon as it came up into a premium marketplace. I wasn't able to get filled on this first entry right here. See this? Because we pushed up into a premium technically right there, but the spread was just a little bit wider than I like. So we pressed up right there, hit a premium, sold off. I wasn't able to get in, but I was able to get in on this second push up right here that cleaned out these 15-minute buy stops. And also, I believe it gave you optimal trade entry as well. You can see we cleaned out those buy stops. We found resistance, and my stop on this play was above this high right here, the high of the displacement leg. And my profit target was this low right here, this lower sell side liquidity. Now you could have shot for this low as well. This was valid since, previous day's lows was left untapped. But I took that low hanging objective and just locked in my gains, and I was content with that. So, yep, that about covers it. Again, if you guys want to join the free Discord chat where I post this daily watch list so you can capitalize on these plays as well, and also capitalize and learn from myself and consume my educational material, there's going to be a link to my free Discord chat in the video description.